Since January, the water level has plummeted by 5 meters. It hovers just dozens of centimeters above the so-called dead level.
Old civilizations relied on the mighty Euphrates River as a crucial lifeline, but its waters have now evaporated. What emerged from the abyss where liquid currents once ran? The Golden Mountains themselves were the ones it was. Nature seemed to have exposed a delightful secret for all to witness. The Euphrates, because of climate change, human activities, and insufficient management of water resources, is now just a memory of its past. These factors have led to a significant decrease in the river's flow and general health. These communities used to receive nourishment from the river's replenishing touch, but they are now without it and miss its vitalizing effects. This woeful tale still contains a flicker of curiosity. The Golden Mountains have emerged from obscurity and taken their due place in the spotlight. Similar to legendary beasts, they have been snoozing for an extended duration and are at present stirring from their slumber. The water obscured these majestic hills when the river was flowing. Everyone's attention is drawn to their golden grandeur. As if viewing a natural performance, the world observes in wonderment. The word about the stunning Golden Mountains is reaching every corner of the planet and stimulating global fascination. An interesting breakthrough has taken the spotlight in the region where natural magic and cultural significance intersect. The mountains that have gold are famous. These majestic peaks have a deeper significance beyond their stunning appearance. The capacity of nature to convert adversity into beauty is demonstrated by them. The residents here hold these mountains as carrying the weight of tradition and symbolism in their hearts. The place they call home is tied to generations of people through a rich tapestry of meaning. We are astounded by the significance of the Golden Mountains when we see them in all their glorious golden splendor. Their significance extends beyond their appearance. They exhibit the unstoppable spirit of nature and communicate to us its remarkable power and aptitude to create things. After emerging from a lifeless site, these mountains serve as an exquisite demonstration of transformation. Even in the worst situations, beauty can still arise. Those who live within the shadow of the Golden Mountains connect deeply with their spiritual significance. Because they form an essential part of people's daily lives and cultures, these peaks are considered more than mere natural wonders. The people living in their shadow treasure them significantly. Their essence embodies ancestral knowledge and collective memory. Preservation and protection of them are ways to protect a treasured tradition, assure that their height will continue to inspire future generations. The various natural processes that occur here give these mountains their yellow color. The water carried sediments and minerals along the river's path over time. Sediments settled down while the water diminished, creating compressed rock layers. The sediment contained minerals like iron oxides and sulfides, thus the reason for its present bright golden coloring. The scientific value of the Golden Mountains is on par with their scenic beauty. The study of geological history can come from analyzing these rocks. You can discover information about the previous environment of the area and the geological incidents responsible for its formation. The examination of rocks and minerals found in mountains can offer scientists information on geological processes that happened over thousands of years. They are able to comprehend the changes that have occurred on Earth over time. The societal and symbolic aspects of finding the Golden Mountains cannot be overlooked. The local residents find these stunning rock formations captivating due to their meaning and importance. Amidst hardship, they've transformed into a representation of resilience and attractiveness. Their resonance lies in people's deep connection to nature and their history. The Golden Mountains have attracted tourists and travelers since they began to emerge. Seeing this remarkable scenery by themselves is what they want. The unique landscapes attract visitors, which can be beneficial for the local economies. The preservation of the natural environment depends on finding a balance between tourism and responsible behavior. The Golden Mountains should be kept as they currently are. In closing, detecting the Golden Mountains on the dry shoreline of the Euphrates is an impressive and absorbing experience. Both science and culture find value in these beautiful golden shades that are created through natural processes and mineralization. Ensuring long-term enjoyment by people requires finding a balance between exploration and preservation as tourism grows and studies continue. The Golden Mountains were uncovered in the bed of the dried Euphrates River. Scientists are intrigued by their formation and their integration into the Earth's makeup. The study of the geological processes that grant them their golden hue can provide a better understanding of this distinctive natural occurrence, which has fascinated individuals. Discover more about this distinctive natural occurrence that has entranced people. The Golden Mountains were created through the influence of various natural elements. Silt buildup is the most significant factor. The Euphrates River has transported a diverse range of minerals through its silt over time. Iron oxides and sulfides make up these minerals. As the water went away, this sand settled and became layered, assisting with mountain formation. Iron minerals present in the rock lend to its golden color. Hematite and goethite are the two iron minerals notable for their red and yellow colors. Iron minerals collected within sedimentary layers give mountains their distinct golden hue. The exact processes that result in the gathering and preservation of iron crystals within sediment layers are currently being studied. Sediment can harbor iron minerals due to factors such as water chemistry and oxidation reduction conditions. The involvement of bacteria also matters. Among geological events, tectonic action and erosion are changing the shape of the Golden Mountains. Land masses have been lifted, resulting in various landforms and contours. Water and wind cause the erosion that follows. The visible layers of sediment have been shaped by these forces, highlighting the mountain's golden color even more. A great deal can be learned about the area's geological history by studying how the Golden Mountains were formed and their geology. It portrays the previous condition of landscapes and the changing patterns of sedimentation throughout time. It exhibits how geological processes operated collectively for several millennia. Scientific analysis of geological maps and sediment samples aids in determining how the area's geology has transformed throughout history. They ascertain what is causing this remarkable natural event. The Golden Mountains are what first cause a change in the local wildlife and scenery. The occurrence of exposed mountains results in fresh landscapes and microenvironments that enable plant and animal species to occupy new areas. New communities of plants emerge, inviting a variety of different animals due to ecological succession. Second, the existence of golden minerals and silt in mountain regions might change how soil functions. It could impact the nutrients held within. The makeup and fertility of the soil can be transformed by iron oxides and sulfides. Nearby plant growth and survival may be impacted by this. By looking into how golden sediments interact with nearby dirt, researchers hope to determine any potential long-term effects on plant growth. Their study includes understanding how the ecosystem works. The Golden Mountains might serve as signs and places for birds and other migrating animals to navigate. Helping animals maintain awareness of their location during yearly migrations requires guidance in finding their way. To maintain the ecosystem's balance and safeguard the recently created habitats, it is important to uphold the ecological integrity of the surrounding areas. The objective of conservation should revolve around the protection of natural plants while stopping soil erosion, promoting environmentally friendly methods of land management. The Golden Mountains ascent has both upsides and downsides for the environment. We can ensure the Golden Mountains' longevity by effectively managing these impacts on their distinct ecosystem and breathtaking natural beauty. Harmonious living will be achievable. The dried bed of the Euphrates is where the Golden Mountains were uncovered. For both the surrounding communities and the broader region, this holds great cultural and economic significance. The Golden Mountains represent power, magnificence, and wonder, culturally speaking. The natural environment often creates a strong sense of attachment among the local residents. They remember their history and identify when looking at the beautiful golden formations. The mountains' cultural and spiritual importance could stem from their representation of the magnitude of nature's power. They can create something beautiful out of trouble. They offer a role model for individuals in the locality to aspire to and take pride in. It brings them closer and makes them value the beauty of nature more. Culture values the Golden Mountains, and they hold economic promise. The mesmerizing spectacle of nature draws tourists and travelers from across the globe. Seeing the golden-colored landscapes for themselves is eagerly anticipated by people who are fascinated by their unique beauty. Local economies can experience growth with the help of tourists, who create opportunities for companies in hospitality, lodging, food service, and tourism. The money influx and job availability resulting from this economic boost can help improve the health of local areas. Improving infrastructure can help as well. Economic development in the Golden Mountains should prioritize careful planning and long-term viability. Achieving a balance between economic interests is crucial to preserving this natural wonder for an extended period. The protection of the environment should be balanced accordingly. Limited access, effective waste management, and imparting awareness on environmental protection are some of the important responsible tourism practices essential to keeping the delicate ecosystem from suffering extensive damage. The ecosystem stands to suffer irreversible harm in the absence of these measures. The Golden Mountains hold significance for both culture and economy. Nearby communities view them as inspiring sources of pride and benefit from their economic opportunities. Respecting the cultural value is necessary to keep this amazing event for future generations to enjoy. Long-term economic growth promotion can likewise aid in this regard. Understanding how the Golden Mountains were formed requires studying geological processes through exploration of the dried riverbed of the Euphrates near them. Studying the region's past, the incident is being analyzed by many researchers and specialists from different angles. Geologists and geoscientists are sampling and analyzing the sediments and minerals of the Golden Mountains during studies conducted in the field. By undertaking cautious geological mapping and laboratory tests, their expectation is to uncover the minerals responsible for the golden hues. They hope to comprehend the procedures that resulted in the minerals being concentrated and remaining in position. Scientists are looking into how factors like temperature, humidity, and sunlight affect the intensity and brightness of golden colors. The interaction of geological, chemical, and environmental processes can provide valuable insights to scientists studying the formation of the Golden Mountains. By investigating these factors, they can take this action. Advanced imaging techniques like remote sensing and high-resolution mapping are similarly used in scientific exploration to analyze the shape and positioning of mountains. These are significant instruments for researchers. Employing these techniques facilitates the production of comprehensive images and 3D models, which aid in comprehending and analyzing data. People from various disciplines have opportunities to collaborate while examining and studying the Golden Mountains scientifically. They are able to impart their knowledge. By availing themselves of the assistance of scientists, individuals can better grasp geological processes and how landscapes transform over time. The sharing of their data and ideas can likewise assist in protecting exceptional natural attractions. These scientific projects' discoveries assist us in gaining more knowledge about the Golden Mountains. They facilitate our understanding of similar geological incidents all across the globe. The longevity of the Golden Mountains can be ensured by conducting conservation and preservation activities to maintain its wholeness. It's crucial to safeguard the environment, which encompasses plants, soil, and animals' dwellings. By implementing sustainable tourism practices and regulating tourist access, we can reduce negative effects effectively, train individuals about the precarious ecosystem. To preserve exceptional geological formations and foster conscientious land management should be the objective of conservation efforts. Instruct individuals on developing a deep regard for the magnificent natural phenomenon. Using sustainable practices and finding a balance between conservation and economic growth can achieve this. So, if you find the video informative, then do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon.